a lot easier to bake with almond flour. Okay, kasi it's almost 1:1 with conventional baking with all-purpose flour. Yung measurement niya. But then again, ito rin yung tanong. Hindi lahat ng tao pwede sa nuts. Okay? So, meron mga tao bawal ang nuts. So, sinasabi sa coach, pwede ba yung hindi, yung walang nuts? Okay? So, which ang alternative natin is coconut flour. And cost-wise, mas malaki, cheaper talaga yung coconut flour. The only thing that we need to master is hiding or somehow masking, no? Kumbaga, medyo tinatago natin yung taste ng coconut for people who doesn't like coconut through chocolate-based recipes. Noon. Kaya, yun yung lagi kong ina-experiment that I'd be able to create delicious coconut flour-based recipes dahil karamihan sa ating mga kababayan ay mas gusto nilang, syempre, makatipid, hindi masyadong makagastos, and what better way of doing it than using coconut flour dahil coconut is made here locally, diba? So, again, sinasabi ko lang sa mga estudyante natin, kung gusto nyo mabilis at masarap talaga at madaling gawin is almond flour. Pero that's why I'm sharing this sa workshop kasi ito yung madalas na laging pumapalpak. Baking with coconut flour. Pero pwede naman. Basta alam lang natin, tsaka nag-incorporate tayo ng mga tamang ingredients.